Excellency, the President of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, CGH, Honorable Governors, Cabinet Secretaries, Principal Secretaries, Senators and Members of Parliament, Speakers and Members of County Assemblies, Development Partners, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Jodhurwa Maso, Umor, I'm honored to join you in Homa Bay, the county of endless potential, for the 9th Devolution Conference and the second biennial conference, united under the powerful theme for the people, for prosperity, devolution as a catalyst for equity, inclusion, and social justice. This year's theme resonates with the objects of devolution, which are fundamental ideas on which our devolved system of governance is anchored. Devolution is about equity, inclusion, and social justice. It is about ensuring that no Kenyan is left behind regardless of their geographic location, gender, ethnicity, disability, status, or socio-economic background. Since inception, devolution has transformed our governance landscape. It has brought public services closer to the people, accelerated development at the grassroots level, especially for initially marginalized communities, and provided opportunities for participatory governance. Yet, as our sub-theme challenges us, we must now re-engineer county governments to go further. That means to innovate, collaborate, and dismantle the stubborn socio-economic divide that persists. This way, the potential of county governments shall be fully harnessed. Ladies and gentlemen, the State Department for Devolution remains committed to supporting the effective implementation of devolution by empowering county governments to deliver services optimally. One of the key initiatives that the State Department is currently implementing is the second Kenya Devolution Support Program. The program supports counties to improve service delivery, resource management, and institutional accountability. KDSP2 will help boost Kenya's fiscal sustainability by supporting mechanisms for enhancing county-owned source revenue management and improving public expenditure transparency and effectiveness. Additionally, the program is supporting the automation of various manual or government processes, including the automation of taker releases, revenue collection, and payroll management. The resultant systems such as human resource information system and digital revenue platforms will improve credibility and accountability of government processes and services. The manual processes have historically caused inefficiencies, translating to mismanagement of resources. KDSP2 will establish a performance management culture in counties. This will be supported through an integrated performance management framework and system standardization performance in government. Counties will be incentivized to undertake monitoring of performance contracts and cascading of the performance contracts to the lowest level. To strengthen participation of citizens in governance, the program aims to support the quality of citizen participation and feedback mechanism on service delivery, thereby improving the quality of life for the people of Kenya. The investment dashboards being supported by KDSP2 will facilitate the tracking of county projects implementation and provide an opportunity for real-time citizen feedback. Another key initiative by the State Department for Devolution is the Strengthening Good Governance in Kenya program. Together with other stakeholders and development partners, that is the EU and GIZ, SDD will employ innovative methods through incentivizing county government to instill the culture of good governance. Central to good governance is performance management, which must be rooted in credible evidence that guides county planning, priority setting, and decision making. Through this program, standards and norms that are critical to harmonization of service delivery across the devolved units will be established. Since citizens are the center of performance management, this program is supporting civic education to empower them in oversighting the government in service delivery. Additionally, the crucial role the county assemblies play in oversight, ensuring that resources are used as intended, will be strengthened by building their capacity in budget scrutiny. Ladies and gentlemen, the full potential of devolution calls for reimagining and rethinking governance through opportunities that are available all there with the advancement of technology. Firstly, I'll list some of them: embedding performance culture, institutionalizing performance management across county operations, and linking budget execution directly to service delivery outcomes. Secondly, creating climate smart cities, utilizing satellite monitoring for urban planning compliance. Your Excellency, the human resource alone is not enough, so we need also to leverage on technology, and also transforming waste management systems into circular economies, as already outlined by previous speakers. Scaling wetland and river restoration, like the model, Nairobi River model, which is on track and very effective. Your Excellency, the rule book for cities should also be re-engineered, because with a big rule book, then, for example, the Nairobi Rivers, the vision and the citizen involvement and the action is just what's needed, not the. So the governance needs also to be re-engineered for the county cities. Advancing agricultural innovation. 3, establish county-based food production systems, ecosystems, and implementing spatial planning for sustainable land use. 4, democratizing healthcare access, deploying AI and Internet of Things diagnostics at lower level hospitals, and leveraging drone logistics for medical supply chains, as we have seen in Homa Bay. Realizing this collective vision requires creating frameworks for county innovation funds, facilitating public-private co-creation platforms, and strengthening citizen engagement through open governance tools. This conversation continues with enhancing coordination of national devolution programs, peer learning, and multi-stakeholder technical support frameworks for the people, for prosperity, and for collective future. Asanteni sana na Mungu abariki.